Today be today, oh Charlie. The other time, I was saying to myself that it looked like the way more things are advancing. Beni nibi ya hiye moe iket nagba ipimba. So let's take for instance, those days in America, you go to your farm, you plug tomato, whatever, okra, pepper, you just go straight ahead and eat. But now, all these things are being processed and canned. There is a research that if you enjoy too much canned foods and stuff, it's bringing cancer and it's not healthy, a whole lot of issues. As times goes on, like the challenge na ni being chucky na umfa. So why am I saying that? Recently we all heard about iPhone 13 being launched. Okay, iPhone, actually iPhone 13, Ghana be especially Ghanaian ladies are not making us sleep at all. They are disturbing, making noise about iPhone. It's a big deal as a lady if you don't have an iPhone. People are cheating on their relationship because of iPhone. It's like the power of iPhone. There are a lot of things that iPhone is doing, and I don't know why a lot of people cherish iPhone so much. Not that because I don't use an iPhone, but it's quite expensive, and there are other phones that also gives similar quality or whatever, but everybody has their own choice and whatever they want to buy. Okay, but I have this saying that I always say there are a lot of Ghanaian women out there, especially the young ones, that are using iPhone 12, iPhone 13, the latest one, and all the iPhones that you have. They've used all of them, but yet still, when you go to their house, they don't have even a washing machine, which will help you to wash in case like you have nails and stuff, a lot of them. But anyway, so today what are we talking about? One we about Efia Odor. Molenche wale wonyemi yo naturally Efia Odor Americana. Yeah. Efia Odor kete Twitter ni yake maba or Ghana celebrities be if you to who use our iPhone and be it is an achievement. Bekela ball Twitter ni na bono hey commenting by a whole lot of things. She na peni yo minje. Eche mu kugbe she mo amobinu wo yo egami ake kasantri le nuncho. If you other took to Twitter to talk about why some of Ghanaian celebrities are making it like an achievement when you get an iPhone or you buy an iPhone, because when you buy iPhone they take it social media to show to the world, everybody. So she tweeted and then she said that why is acquiring the latest iPhone such an accomplishment to many Ghanaians? This really baffles me and I need answers because it's quite embarrassing, especially seeing celebrities posing with their new iPhone. She didn't mention anybody's name. Someone replied, and then she also said, more about Boakye, when you have iPhone, people see you as rich person automatically. Hey! They said tweet in the reply more like Boakye. My 10-year-old sister has an iPhone, and I doubt that she is rich. But iPhone na ke bane. Mo fia mo nchon, bo le gonna be. When you mean you're naturally na ba na mwa. Le we ya iPhone ne ko. Le iPhone ne picture ne ke sha. Nye kwa picture if you le ken. E ke iPhone ne with that. Mo fia mo na ke le we iPhone. Another pose with the iPhone, and our own sister, movie star Tracy Boakye, also posed unboxing her new iPhone 13. They call me Godson. And the ladies have now started doing unboxing. If now they are tech people, you see the thing. Our fellow YouTubers who are into tech, whenever they get a new stuff, they do unboxing and stuff. So she's also doing unboxing. None of you na waji. When you meet you actually Agradaa, be an evangelist, she is a reverend minister. But like fake music video cra. It can be an actually Agradaa, no, but she's a born again. It can fake music video. Ni lane she was singing and happy that she has also gotten an iPhone 13.
Pro Max. So kaisa me belanchi iPhone 12 no. Anyway, iPhone 13 is suava. So your banana, so ye premium. J.O. iPhone 13. Oh, your banana, ye premium. Hey, J iPhone 13. So your banana, ye premium. J iPhone 13. Pro Max. Malanchi. Mengamidsia. Ain't the one so Jodia. Go back for them way.
But anyway, someone will say, but it's not your concern if they have gotten their money to buy an iPhone. They choose to do whatever they want to do with an iPhone. Oh yes, it's true. But you see, do you know what I want to say? These are what we call life on social media. It's full of pressure. They are not real. Someone came to also reply a tweet. No disrespect, but you have been showing off bikinis too. Are they expensive than those iPhones? Only if we can mind our own business. And then she replied, for her dear, she will reply you. I show off my bikini because I'm marketing my bikini line, sweetheart. Ni mokumbag meko. When you hold an iPhone, people's eyes will just be on it to see the back of the phone, to know the amount of respect they give to you. And then she replied again and said, respect which people? I don't think people like Bill Gates or Oprah Winfrey give a heck of which phone you use. I guess you want class 2 children to respect you. This is where someone saw that she's referring to Nanaba and Amwa, and the person commented under her post, and the person said, if you want to talk to Nanaba, talk to her directly, don't pass through the corners. And she replied, I haven't seen her do that, but if she did, then she's not the only one. It's an embarrassing. Wow. So this is what I want to present to you, and this iPhone issue are bringing a lot of fire, and it's bringing a whole lot of wahala, and people are cheating because of iPhone. People are doing all sorts of things because of an iPhone. I don't really know. Maybe if you are watching and you're an iPhone user, tell me what is one specific thing that make people rush onto this iPhone or always buying iPhone. I'm yet to know. So this is what I want to share with you. And as I said, a lot of the girls out there are having iPhones that are even expensive. They can use it to buy a piece of land. But yet still, they have an iPhone, and yet still, they don't have a washing machine in their house to wash. But you see them with long nails. I'll see you next time. Bye.